Taking a look here at the price chart for the Ripple asset, we could see XRP registering tight consolidation against the 382 fib retracement, as well as a 100% fib expansion just below that cloud. And of course, we could essentially have a similar trend from the past spreading across the board here, with many cryptocurrencies experiencing some serious consolidation. With the price pegged at 75 cents at the time of recording, the graph trend for XRP is more likely to go with the fundamental rather than growth or technical trend. We've got the first big wave end at 78 cents, just as the tendency is ending. The first minor wave is registered around the 78 cents at the 0.71 fib retracement and 0.887 at 0.62 Fibonacci retracement levels, before going into the second wave at 75 and aiming at beyond its current all-time highest price value of $3.40 before the end of Q2 2022. Thanks for watching Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a crypto Discord group where we give out calls for our favorite altcoins, and you can also win special rewards for inviting your friends to the group. Links for that are in the description. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
Bitcoin's chart largely influences XRP's price movements like every other coin. As the chart for XRP is formed following Bitcoin's influence, it's most likely to remain that way, because now XRP does have that bearish look as it continues on its weeks-long downward trend, with the possibility of a downside pressure towards much lower levels even more apparent. Then again, the bulls don't seem to have much follow-through to raise the selling pressure. So should XRP fail to hold its present support level and dips below that mark at 80 cents, there is a very high chance that we see the price of XRP drop down to that 65 cents level. And essentially, for XRP's price movements to convert a full-on bull mode, XRP needs to cross above its key psychological resistance of $1. And I know that seems very unlikely right now, but we see it on the chart. Reaching above that marker allows it to revert the bearish trend into an excellent return for the bullish expansion phase. Right now, the downside for this coin is limited to around 65 cents, and the upside potential is unless it gets above $1. After that, it's just going to flounder. Quite a hurting scene to behold, seeing as all of these coins are consolidating and you don't know where the prices are headed, with a fair amount of uncertainty wrapped around long-term predictions. So there is a performance metric I like to employ, which is the 3-day demand area on here, which ranges from 0.70 to 0.77. XRP broke away from the critical resistance zone on Thursday, December 23rd, 2021. Nonetheless, its price has significantly dropped since then, and for now it's stabilizing just above that 70 cents range, as I see it heading towards the 90 cents marker in the coming week or two. So a price margin slightly below the $1 level is the level that I'm looking at, essentially between 90 to 95 cents. And that is, of course, should the bulls take control of the 200-day moving average, then it's roughly going to rest on the 95 cents margin. With the 50-day moving average comes the 92 cents marker, which we'll come to have should the bulls wholly sweep through the market in the coming week. For a while now, the market trend has not been quite encouraging for members of the XRP community, as the market seems to be a bit mushy at the moment. As we await the aftermath of the ongoing litigation between Ripple Labs and the SEC, big news is coming into these markets, which entails power moves being made behind the scenes regarding the widespread adoption of XRP. Don't be dismayed by market sentiments and puns made by Bitcoin maximalists against the Ripple asset. XRP is set to hit significant highs. Contrary to popular belief that the development in the Ripple ecosystem has been put on hold since the initiation of the lawsuit, just as stated by BitBoy Crypto, nothing could be further from the truth. And as the proceeding against Ripple Labs progresses further, the fintech startup has continued to announce new partnerships across almost every corner of the world, which shows how much growth potential its native XRP asset would garner by the end of the lawsuit. As we have previously seen, financial institutions from around the globe, such as the Japan-based fintech firm SBI Remit, reputed as the biggest money transfer provider in all of Japan, linking arms with the most prominent digital wallet service providers in the Philippines, Coins.ph, to open up a remittance corridor between the two countries. Just as the partnership and Ripple ODL clients in APAC, such as Novati and Tranglo, have been playing a crucial role in skyrocketing RippleNet's fiat on and off-ramps volume. Other economies, such as Mongolia and Malaysia, are looking to adopt Ripple's ODL services. As a follow-up on that trend, the US-based crypto remittance company recently announced a new partnership deal which included itself, a leading private bank in Pakistan with a network of over 700 plus branches in more than 200 cities across the nation, the Bank of Al Fallah, and one of UAE's most trusted monetary transaction companies, Lulu Exchange. At the same time, both entities are geared up to enhance borderless remittance settlement services through Pakistan and the entire Middle East and North African region, a partnership that is made possible through the RippleNet platform. This new product and other factors such as the news about XRP being available in Walmart stores across the United States says a lot about how much impact the ongoing lawsuit has against Ripple or XRP's overall growth. Even if Ripple goes away in the US, its XRP cryptocurrency, which already has some seriously unique functionalities, hence a wide range of clientele across the globe, would flourish. Come to think of it, if the US financial regulators were looking to shut out Ripple from operating within its jurisdiction, the decacorn crypto firm would probably not be out there making deals to provide XRP in America's largest retail corporation. Establishing a legal precedent could only be set should this lawsuit get some public ruling that isn't settled privately behind closed doors. But the SEC will be doing everything within and beyond its power to prevent that from happening, because they bask in the confusion that their effortless effort towards providing a clearly defined regulatory framework has brought about in the US crypto market as much as they love to engage in regulation by enforcement. Because the SEC says XRP was a security, why not allow it to get listed on the New York Stock Exchange? Why drag on a lawsuit this much further when we all know that there are only two possible outcomes for this lawsuit? With the first possible scenario being that Ripple is found guilty of the charges levied against the Ripple coin, hence it's deemed security, which subsequently allows it to get listed on the stock market. On the other hand, should Judge Annalisa Torres' judgment not be favorable to the SEC at the end of the day, not only would that boost the morale of investors in this coin, which would subsequently lead to a massive influx of buyers in the XRP market, but it would also spell trouble for the SEC. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on bell notifications. Also, make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.